Hello and welcome friends to the introduction video of quantitative aptitude and maths. So friends, I am Rajiv Ranjan Jha and I just proceed further with a question. I will explain you the same question which is in your screen for the school maths and for the competition related maths, which is otherwise known as quantitative aptitude. So friends, the question is in your screen. I just read out the question. The length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and the width is decreased by 20%. What is the percentage change in its area? So friends, this question first I will solve for the school maths, okay? And then same question I will solve for the competition maths. So for school maths, let the length or the original length be L centimeter. Similarly, the width width be W centimeter, you can say B centimeter also, because breadth same thing. So area of a rectangle is when the length and width are given. So it is length multiplied by width or the breadth. So it is LW centimeter square. Fine, we don't have to find the absolute value because we are not given with the absolute value. This is the original area. Remember this. It is LW centimeter square or 1 LW centimeter square. Now what happens? We are given that length is increased by 20%. Okay, by 20%. So what happens? 100 plus the percentage increase divided by 100 into L will be the new length. Okay, so it is nothing but 120 by 100 of L. This is 1.20 L. This is the new length. Okay. Similarly, the width, but width is decreased. So instead of plus, you will get a minus sign here. W multiplied by W. So you get 0.80 W. 0.80 W. So this is the new length. This is the new width. What is the new area? We just denote by N area, which means new area is equal to 1.20 L multiplied by 0.80 W. This is nothing but 0.96 LW. Okay. Initially it was 1 LW, 1 LW. If there is nothing that we know in algebra, it is 1 LW centimeter square. But it has become 0.96 centimeter LW centimeter square. So yes, it has decreased from 1, it has come to 0.96. Fine. So what happens? The net decrease is equal to 1 minus 0.96. I put it in bracket LW centimeter square. Fine. So it is 0.04 LW centimeter square is the net decrease. But what about the, I put now solve here, same question. This is the percentage decrease is equal to net decrease divided by original area into 100. This is the formula. Fine. Net decrease divided by original area into 100. So net decrease is 0.04 divided by 1. That is 1 LW. I'm just writing 1 multiplied by 100. So by solving this, you get 4% is the decrease in the area. So this is the answer. 4% is the decrease in area. But you cannot take so much of time and so much of steps while you are solving this question as a quant question in your competition. So how we will be solving this? See, there is a formula which we use in for competition in exam. First I write the formula, then I explain it very briefly. Okay, this formula is x plus y plus xy by 100. What is this x and y? So x is, if there is a percentage increase, suppose here x is equal to, since it is increased, so it is plus 20. Okay. And what happens to width? Width it is decrease. So y, this is y is equal to minus of 20. Fine. And sign of this will be according to the sign of x and y. since x is positive, y is negative, so this will be of negative sign. So in this formula, we directly put, we can do it mentally also, 20 minus of 20. This will become minus because positive multiplied by negative is a minus sign, okay, divided by 100. So this cancel out, this cancel out. So it's a minus 4. Minus 4 is nothing but a decrease in the, and you will get in the option, because in mostly competition exam you have multiple choice questions. So it will be in options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can directly put a percentage decrease of 4% in the area. Fine. So friends, this is the way you prepare for the school. This is the way you prepare for the competition exam. So this is the end of